Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello friends, in today's video we will be learning how to run and manage Docker containers using existing images. So let's jump into the practical. So here we have an EC2 Ubuntu instance and we have already installed Docker environment on it. Now to run and manage the Docker containers using existing images, we need an image already present inside our local registry, and for that we have already pulled the Ubuntu image in this server. So now what we will do is we will create a container and we will use the ti command, which will give us the terminal access. So T will give us the terminal and I will allow us to interact with it. So we will use it docker run ti ubuntu. So our container is running and also we have a shell access to the container. So we will make some change by echoing some text into the containers directory and then use cat to verify that it was successfully saved. So we will first echo the text example1 in the tmp directory, and after that we will use cat command to check whether it was successfully saved or not. So as you can see that we have got our echo reply, which is example1. So here it was successfully saved. So now we can simply exit from this image. So here we have run the image and also echoed some text using the Ubuntu image. Now what we can do is the Docker container stop running as soon as the command is issued. So as soon as we exit from the container, it stops running by itself. So if we use the command docker ps, it won't show you any running container because it has already exited. And if we use the command docker psa, the A flag will show us all the containers stopped or in running state. So here we have a container with this container ID and the image being used is Ubuntu and it has exited 43 seconds ago. Now if we rerun the same command, an entirely new container is created. So if we run the command docker run ti ubuntu, if we even don't use the command ti, if we simply run docker run ubuntu and run docker psa, then you can see that a new container has been launched and it is different from the previous one. And you can also see the time that it has launched 3 seconds ago. So whenever you use the command docker run ubuntu, a new container will be spawned. So if we want, we can restart, as we have already exited from this container, then that is the reason why the container is in stopped state. So if we want to start a container, we can use the command docker start. And after that we can place -ai and then the container ID which we want to start. So here we are using this container. So this container has started. So if we want, we can exit this. Now again we are back at the root access. Now in case we want to delete a container which we have launched, then we can use the command docker rm, which is for removal, and we can simply place the container ID in front of it. So in case if you want to delete this container which was launched around 2 minutes ago, then we can place its container ID here and simply press enter. So here we are not able to delete the container because we don't have the super user access. So first we will gain the super user access using the command sudo su, and then again we will paste this docker rm command, and after that we will place this container id in front of it. So it has successfully removed this container. So in today's video, what we have done is we have learned how to manage the container which was the Ubuntu, how to manage the existing image which was Ubuntu and it was already present in the registry, and we echoed some text into it. Along with that, we also learned how to gain the shell access to that image and how to restart the image or delete the container. So these are some commands which you can use to run and manage the Docker containers which are using the existing images present in the registry. So that was all for today's video. Thank you.